Hi folks, we wanted to share with you the unboxing of the brand new Devialet Phantom Reactor. So here we go. This has been eagerly awaited by us, so we're all quite excited to get one out. I have heard one, and I have to say, for its size, the performance is amazing. Just literally came in, we couldn't wait to get it out. But we've got to get into it first. Imagine it follows the same form as the normal Devialet Phantom boxes where they sort of split open, so yeah, looks to be that. Wow, and there we go. So it is a Phantom, but a mini Phantom. But all of those patents that come on the big Phantom trickle down to make this in a much smaller package. But the nice thing is also, as you can see, you've got buttons on the top to help use it. And it's a good weight, a very good weight as well. Large heat sinks on the back, always a clear sign of a good quality product. See what else you get in here. So it's just the Phantom in there, and then you've got a power cable as well. And it plugs in the back. If I show you the back, the connections, Ethernet, auxiliary input, mains, and a power on and off switch. And they're doing, in the larger Phantom range, you get a tripod, and this is a tripod type thing that's specifically for reactor. So we're going to get that out, we're going to get it set up. It's on permanent demonstration in our Birmingham store, so please feel free to come in and have a listen. You can just drop in. We're open Monday to Saturday, 9 AM till 5:30. If you want to book an appointment, you can do so. If not, it is here for you to come and have a listen anyway. So we look forward to getting it up and running, and we look forward to you coming in and having a listen as well. Thank you.